If your tile floors look stained, cracked, or just tired, don't rip them out yet, because I'm about to show you how to make your floors look brand new for a fraction of the cost of replacing them. First up, the grout. It's the biggest reason tile floors look old. Mix 1 cup baking soda, half a cup hydrogen peroxide, and a tablespoon of dish soap into a thick paste. Spread it over your grout lines. Let it sit for 10 minutes. That's the secret to lifting deep stains. Then scrub with a toothbrush or soft brush. You'll see dirt come out like magic. Wipe the paste off with a damp cloth and rinse the floor. Already, your tiles will look brighter, but we're not done. Next, let's fix chips and cracks. Grab a tile repair kit with epoxy filler and color tints. Clean the damaged spot with rubbing alcohol. Mix your epoxy and match the color to your tile. It's worth taking your time to get it right. Press the filler into chips or cracks, slightly overfilling it. Let it harden completely, then gently sand it flush with fine sandpaper. To finish, brush a thin coat of clear sealer or varnish over the repair. That makes it glossy and protects it from future damage. Finally, seal your grout and tiles. Grout is like a sponge. It soaks up dirt and stains. A grout sealer keeps spills on the surface so you can easily wipe them away. Before sealing, make sure your floor is totally dry. Wait at least 24 hours after cleaning. Then apply sealer along the grout lines. Wipe away any extra before it dries on the tiles. Sealing the whole tile surface adds even more protection and shine. So let's recap. Clean your grout with DIY paste. Repair chips and cracks with epoxy. Seal your grout and tiles to lock in the shine. If your tiles feel loose or your grout is crumbling, that might mean bigger issues underneath, and that's when you should call a pro. But for normal grime, stains, and a few chips, this DIY can save you thousands. Don't settle for floors you hate. You've got the tools and the know-how to transform them yourself. If this helped you, hit like and subscribe for more DIY fixes, and drop your before and after photos in the comments. I'd love to see your floor glow-ups.